Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox SONOFF Basics Wi-Fi Smart Switch. This is one of the cheapest and best smart switch in the market. Guys, it works with an Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Also, if you don't have any of these two, you can still use it with the Google Assistant if you have a smartphone, and also you can connect the switch with the EV-Link app. From that app you can control the switch remotely. Guys, it has a power supply of 90 to 250 volt AC and maximum current of 10 amp. Okay, let's unbox the switch out.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
Guys, on the top itself there is a switch. This is the main module. There is some instruction manual with it, and a qualified certificate, and some screws, and that's it. There is nothing in the box. The instruction manual is in two languages. One is English and another is Chinese. Guys, there is a QR code for the app, so you can scan this QR code and download the app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Guys, now let's see the switch itself. It says that SONOFF Wi-Fi Smart Switch, and the input side and output side is mentioned in the switch itself. And there is a button here which we can use this button as a manual switch on and off button, and also this is the Wi-Fi connectivity button. You should long press this button. There will be a LED blinking here. When you long press the button, it enters into the pairing mode. Only then you can connect the switch to the Wi-Fi. That's all guys, there is nothing in there. There are two caps to secure the connections on both sides. Guys, this is one of the cheapest smart switch in the market, and it also works with Alexa, Google Assistant without any issues. Now let's connect the switch to the power source and see how the switch works. Now I'm going to connect the switch temporarily to show to you guys how the switch works. I have got two wires here with the plug. One is a male plug and another is a female plug. I'm going to connect the male plug to the input side and the female plug to the output side, so that we can connect this switch to any device and test it out. Let me connect it. Guys, I need the small screwdriver. Guys, now first I am going to connect the input line, which has the male plug adapter. Guys, also this covers has the teeth like structures on them, so that when you screw it on the top, the wire will not come out. If you pull also, the wire will not come out easily. Guys, once the wires are connected correctly, secure the connection with the provided caps and the screws. Guys, the wires are successfully connected, and now the SONOFF switch is ready for action. Let's test it out. I'm going to connect the switch to the studio lights, which I'm now using right now. Let's connect the light and test it, how the switch works. Guys, let's power on the switch. by connecting it to the power source. Guys, once the switch is connected to the power source, you can see the green color light blinking on the switch itself right here near the Wi-Fi symbol. Now let's search and now let's set up the switch on the app. Guys, first scan the QR code provided in the manual and download the EV-Link app on your smartphone. Open the app. Once the app is downloaded, open the app. And first guys, you need to register to the EV-Link app by using your mobile number and create your password so that you can use the EV-Link cloud to control the smart switch, SONOFF smart switch. Once you have registered to the app, you will see this. There are no device pair. Tap to add device button below to begin pairing devices. So there is an add button here on the bottom. Press on that. You will be seeing a quick pair mode. To do that, as I said on previous, there is a button on the switch itself. Press and hold the button for a few seconds. You will see the green LED blinking rapidly. See, now the LED is blinking rapidly. It means that now the switch is on the pairing mode. Now click on next. It will show your Wi-Fi name. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the switch. And guys, it says that it takes 3 minutes to connect to your device. It's searching for the device. It says that found first generation device and some model number in it. I think now it's connecting to the cloud. Guys, now it says registering the device to the cloud. Yes guys, it has successfully detected the device, and now it says that my device and the model number of the device. You can edit the name of the device. Now I'm going to name it as lamp. Okay, completed. Guys, as you can see, the device is successfully added, and now the device state is on the off. Let me connect the lights to it. Guys, as you can see, now the studio lights are turned off. Now I am going to connect the studio lights to the SONOFF output. I have successfully connected. Guys, this is the studio light connection. Now let's try to turn it on from the app itself. Guys, see, it has successfully turned on the light. And let's turn off. Guys, it successfully turned off the light. Guys, you can also control and turn off and turn on the light using this black button and this switch itself. As I said earlier, once you press it, it turns on the light, and again when you press it, it turns off the light. Guys, I love it. It is one of the best smart switch with the cheapest price. I bought this for 250 rupees from banggood.com. I will also leave the link in the description. Guys, the build quality and all other things is perfectly good on this switch. Okay guys, that's it. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below on the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos. Bye.